Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Reddit's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Reddit's account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Reddit sign up and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the sign up page of Reddit. Enter your email address and tap on Continue. Create a password for your Reddit's account. Tap on a box that says I am not a robot and click on Continue. Select your gender and click on Continue. Choose topics that you are most interested in and click on Continue once again. This is how you can sign up for your Reddit's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.